In the video today, we're going over how to soft reset your TCL Tab 8 5G if the screen freezes or the touchscreen is not working properly. What you're going to do is hold down on the power button and the volume down button until the screen goes blank. Let me show you. Power, volume down. We're going to press and hold. You'll see it snap a screenshot. Continue to hold the buttons. And after about 10 seconds, the screen will go blank, just like that. And guess what? What this does is it triggers what is called a soft reset. It shuts the software down, shuts the tablet down, and basically we're just going to press the power button, press and hold it until you feel it vibrate, let it go, and then the tablet will turn back on. Now, if you're having an issue with your screen, this is the easiest way to troubleshoot it first. Now, if this doesn't work, you might have a bigger issue. Now, if your screen is cracked or damaged in any way, this is not going to fix the problem. This will only fix if you have an issue with the software or an issue with one app that appears to be glitching. So try this first. If this doesn't work, next, check to see if there's any damage on your screen. And if there is, you'll want to reach out to your carrier. In this case, it should be Verizon, or you'll want to reach out to TCL as well to see about repair options. All right. If you got value out of this video, make sure you bump that like button down below. If you're not already a subscriber, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.